Now this is how you can improve the selfie camera quality on your Android, and let's get it started. So more things and more angles to take a look at this. Of course, there are more apps which you can use for your camera and like selfies, but a lot of people stick with the default one. It's okay. In my case, it works as well. But there are, first of all, some options when I open it up. So you can see I've got a bunch of effects right here enabled right there. So it kind of looks a little bit more yellowish. So I just need to ensure that it is all set up properly, like more specifically in this department of the filters. For example, I have some color tones enabled right there. So I'm just going to turn it off and just make sure that I'm not having any kind of, these things set up, and I have the natural lighting because this is the best quality for your selfies. Of course, keep in mind that the lens is supposed to be clean. That is, of course, very important. Yeah, that's like another thing to pay attention to. But outside of that, you can check out the wide angle front facing or selfie option if you have that available. These are the two people icon right there. That's also pretty useful. So yeah, there are more things, of course, but perhaps you'll need another app to get more out of your hardware, right? So one such app is the Open Camera. This is what it looks like, and right now you can see that it's getting more professional with here. So we've got a slider for the zoom, we have some adjustments like ISO, we have the time right there, we can see the storage, you have some additional settings, like you can choose the exposure manually, like as I said, do a bunch of these things, like of course we have the aperture and like speed, white balance, so it is most definitely a little bit more like advanced app for taking selfies. However, if you want to have fun with your selfies, I recommend checking out Snapchat. Obviously, you might already have it, but the selection of filters and these fun effects for your selfies is practically endless on the platform, so go ahead and check it out. That's gonna be about it. Let me know what you think, subscribe for more, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you later in the future videos.